in this video I'm going to show you how you can unmute TikTok audio. So if you wish your videos to play sound or music whenever you scroll down, then you need to go ahead and unmute them so that they can automatically play sound and music on scroll. So if you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. All right, now to do this, just go ahead and tap on your profile here. And then go ahead and tap on this ellipsis on top right. Now, if you tap on this, you should see settings and privacy. So one of the reasons why you are experiencing this situation is because your audio has been set to mute, and therefore you have to unmute each and every time on each video. However, if you wish to set this on, then under settings and privacy, just scroll down until you see this option called playback. And here it is. Now tap on playback, and as you can see, Open TikTok on mute has been turned on. That's why all your videos are set on mute by default. To disable this, go ahead and toggle this off. And now if you go back to your videos and play them, they will automatically play sound. For my case, I've just lowered the sound so that I cancel out the noise. But if you increase it, you can see we have the sound. So that's how you can unmute your videos on TikTok account. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.